Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eva Sarmiento, and today I'm gonna first time using my makeup with a sea sponge. I'm getting ready to go see Detective Pikachu with my friend. I don't know why I'm using this time to try something new, but let's get to it. Okay, so I already did my eye makeup. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in shade Warm Sand 2.5. And I've been doing this thing where I'm just trying to use up the foundations that I don't normally reach for, just so I'm not wasting them, and I've used them too much to give away. So I've already got my sea sponge. I think you can buy these for like super cheap at art stores. I don't know where else, but I did get this from Shoppers Drug Mart. It's a Joe Fresh one. I think it's kind of overpriced for a sea sponge. I honestly can't remember how much I bought it for, but I know you can buy these at art stores like Michael's. Okay, so I'm just using that as kind of my base, so I used it somehow. Okay, right off the bat, I feel like, so now I just have my Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth in the shade 230, and I put it on, I don't know what, my palette. I put it on my palette, so I'm just gonna dot that on first. So you can see it's spreading quite nicely. First thoughts about this, don't ever use a sea sponge on your super expensive makeup. If it's like Hourglass or Tom Ford, don't use this because it'll soak everything up, because it's a sea sponge. It's looking pretty nice. It's actually depositing the product pretty well against my skin. Like, it's less sheer than an actual beauty sponge, which is surprising. Can you imagine? Oh, wow. That's a little close-up. Here, excuse the texture because, you know, I'm a normal human being. I do have a little bit of texture. I do have larger pores, so I don't want to hear comments about, oh, your pores are huge. Actually, no, never mind. I'm looking at this and it looks horrendous. It looks the best. Wait, let me fix you real quick. Wayne Goss, I love you, but I don't know about this man. I probably need to kind of blend a little bit more. Second thought, it's a little rough. Maybe I just maybe it's because I exfoliated before, but she's a little rough, I'm saying. Don't you use this for I know people use this to paint with and stuff. I've used it when I did watercolors. This works for paint, so I'm guessing it should work for your face. I'm not being serious with that. I don't really get comments on my videos yet. I have 20 subscribers, I think, so nobody's gonna comment anything. But before, I'm gonna beat you right to the punch right there. When you say, oh, your foundation's looking a little yellow compared to your skin, I'm like, I know my skin's looking a little pale right now. We are in spring. I still haven't gone out in the sun. I'm always wearing SPF. 90% of the time I'm indoors. Okay, so it's on there. The makeup's on there. It's actually less sheer than going in with a normal beauty blender, because if I do use my beauty blender, I'd have to deposit 2 things of this onto either my hand or my palette. But so far it's on there, and A third thought about this one, it's looking a little rough, but I don't feel bad about just chucking this in the trash because I didn't pay that much for this. But there is a difference in the application, and I think the Beauty Blender works really well because it does absorb excess product pretty well, so it's not all on your skin, but that's still, you know, you're not getting the best value for your foundation if the rest of it just goes into your sponge. So you can see, I don't know, my light is so bright, it looks like Papa, can you hear me? It's looking pretty okay. I think is it as flawless? No, but it gets the job done. And okay, fourth thought, it still is a little bit wet. It doesn't evaporate or anything. I'm bumping a wet, kind of like, it feels sopping to me, sponge all over my skin. Maybe I'll go in with more.
Make sure to blend it down, kids. You don't want a mess.
Okay. I see a lot of like porous indentations, not indentations, like you can definitely see the porosity of the sponge based on how it's been applying on my skin. I'm not happy actually. I don't know. Do I want to go to Detective Pikachu looking like a whole mess? No, this is not a mess. But if you have standards of how your makeup's gonna go, you're gonna be unhappy with this. Wayne Goss, I'm trying so hard for you. Okay, so I think I blended the most out of it. I'm not really happy, especially around this area. I'll do a close-up on here so you can see there's just areas where there's like little skips, or it just shows you how porous it is and it's not completely blended really nicely. I think, can I take my finger and just, but to be honest, like this area is kind of giving me a hard time. I've been getting a lot of like weird texture around here. I just need to exfoliate a bit more. My skin's been behaving really badly. Otherwise, the rest of this skin, it's actually not bad. I mean, you can probably just use your finger around here anyways. That's what I tell people. You don't have to use a specialized tool to apply stuff like concealers or even a little bit of the foundation under your eye area. Just because like the warmth from your finger just melts it better into your skin. It's not bad. I actually used way less foundation this way then. Okay, SpongeBob, you did that. Okay. Is it full coverage? I don't really care. I don't really like the look of a full coverage foundation anyways. I think I better not hear anybody dragging me for not making it full coverage, and you can still see a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my face. That's not the point of why I put foundation. I just want to enhance the way my skin looks, because I think my skin looks amazing lately despite the hyperpigmentation and all. I worked hard for my skin to look like this, and I think covering it up with foundation is not the way to go for me. But you do you if you love that. I think that's fantastic if you love to push the boundaries of how well you can cover your face, because that's the reason why I got into makeup, like how very transformative it is and how you can push the boundaries of what you're gonna look like. But yeah, I think, oh, excuse the texture, sheesh, but I think it looks great so far. Yeah, I had my misgivings. Let me finish up this look first, and then I'll have my final thoughts. Okay, so now I'm ready. These are my final thoughts about using a sea sponge as a beauty blender, what have you. I like it. I'll still keep on using it. Wayne Goss, he obviously knows these things for a reason. He's obviously a makeup artist for a reason. He's obviously very, very well respected for a reason. I've never doubted that. I just wanted to try this out, and thank you, Wayne Goss, for saving me $28, $26 from now on. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. Go out and buy sea sponges, especially if you're a freelance makeup artist and you're working with a lot of people. You have a clientele, and you don't have time, you know, you don't have time washing your beauty blender in between clients, or you don't have a lot of brushes to like alternate in between clients, or keep on disinfecting and cleaning your brushes. Yeah, you can buy these for super cheap. You can break them off, and I think they're even better than those like little wedges that are like really tight and really like very hard to just like apply makeup on people's faces. I'm a sea sponge fan, a stan for the sponge. That was ugly. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I needed stuff like this every once in a while. Nobody asked me to check out sponges, but I'm here for it. I'm here for saving money. And yeah, please click on the notification bell if you are already subscribed, so you are alerted to any new videos. I'm gonna try to make new videos every week at least. I just suck at editing. I just don't know what to do, to be honest, and I'm so impatient I can't. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and I'm so excited to be watching Detective Pikachu!